Hello friends, I'm back with another video. So the topic for today is meal plans. So let me talk what is meal plan. Now meal plan is a plan that is added to a room rate and meals to the guest in the hotel. This means now meal plan is a plan that is added to a room rate which includes particular meals of the day and presented as a rate to the guest. Now we have different types of meal plan used in the hotel industry as well as in tourism industry. We have American plan, European plan, modified American plan and continental meal plan. Now this meal plan is very much important in terms of hospitality industry as well as in tourism industry because both the industry deals with the guest with particular meal plans whenever they do the guest booking in the hotel. So now let me explain briefly about each plan. Now we have first of all European plan. This plan includes only the room rate. This means the European plan, the rate of the European plan, it is including the room rate only. It doesn't include any other meal plan. So the guest, if the guest wish to take a meal plan of European plan, then the guest will only be eligible to use the room. And if the guest wish to have any meals of the day, then he or she has to pay separately for the meals. Now this European plan is generally preferred in commercial or downtown hotels. This is because in commercial or downtown hotels, most of the time we have guests like corporate travelers and business travelers. So they usually prefer European plan because all other meals is provided by their own company. So they just use the room in the hotel. Transient hotels usually follows EP for day use room. EP means European plan. So the transient hotels that are nearby to the airport, they usually provide European plans to the guest who wish to stay for few hours as a day use rooms in the hotel. Now let me go to the another plan, that is continental plan. This plan includes room rate and continental breakfast. Now this means, as we can see here for the Lemon Tree hotels, the guest is eligible for room as well as with the breakfast at INR 4,397 per night. This means the rate that they provide over here is inclusive of breakfast and room rate, which means the continental plan. Now this is also popular in business and downtown hotels. Like most of the travelers who is staying in business and downtown hotels, they prefer continental plan as well because they just want to have breakfast in the morning and go for their business trip or go for their conference or business meeting and else on. Now this is mostly found in Europe or for European travelers. Now this is common in terms of European travelers. Now moving on to the another plan, we have modified American plan. This plan includes room, breakfast and one major meal, that is lunch or dinner. Now this means the rate provided is inclusive of room, breakfast and one major meal of the day, that will be lunch or dinner. So the guest can either choose lunch or dinner if they are taking the modified American plan rate. Now this is popular in leisure hotels and resort. Guests staying in resort, they will probably stay for the room and have breakfast and go for the sightseeing or go somewhere else and come back in the evening and have dinner in the hotel or resort. Now this is very much easy for the guest to choose modified American plan if they are choosing to stay in resort. Now this modified American plan is also known by the name MAP or half boat or demi pension. Demi pension means it's a French word for modified American plan. This plan is beneficial for tour group. Now the tour group usually takes modified American plan because it will be very easy for them to plan their trip during the daytime. After having breakfast, they can go elsewhere for the sightseeing and all, and when they come back for either lunch or dinner, and they can stay in the hotel. Next, plan we have American plan. Now this plan includes room and all 3 meals of the day, that is room as well as breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now this plan is popular in resort of remote locations like jungle or desert. Like if the hotel or resort is located in the middle of the jungle or middle of the desert, then the guest should take this American plan, because there will be no other hotels or restaurant where they can have the other meals of the day. So ultimately guest has to come to the hotel to have all the meals. Now this American plan is also known by the name AP, which is American plan, and full board. Full board means all the 3 meals with the room, and pension. Similarly, we have this French word for American plan as and pension. Now these are all 4 plans which is broadly used worldwide for any guest who would like to choose a meal plan in the hotel as well as in tourism industry. Now exclusion from meal plans. Now these are the following meals that are not included in any of the meal plan. That is snacks. If the brunch is also not included, which means the meal that is in between breakfast and lunch. So if the guest is wishing to have brunch in the hotel or resort, then he or she has to pay separately for it, and that is also not included in any of the meal plan. Now high tea and supper, which is the midnight meal. Supper is also not included in the meal plan, so the guest has to pay by themselves. So that's it for the meal plan. I hope you all have enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.